Okay, next we're going to draw cube number 6 for the isometric cubes drawing activity. First thing we want to do is select New, and we're again going to complete a standard IPT part file. So click on the standard IPT icon. Next we want to select Start 2D Sketch and Start 2D Sketch. We're going to draw this on the XY plane, so again hover over that XY plane and select it with your mouse. We're going to draw the 5x5 cube. Again, to do that we want to use the rectangle command, and we're going to start at the point of origin and select that with your mouse and drag up and to the right in the positive direction. We want to type in 5, tab 5, and enter. Next we want to put some depth into this cube, so we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to extrude it, and we're going to extrude it 5, so type in 5 in the dialog box and select OK. Next we want to choose the side that we're going to make the edit on, and that will be the front of the cube, so click on the front of the cube with your mouse and then select the icon all the way to the right called Create Sketch. Next, I'm going to use the point command. So in the toolbar right here, choose your point command, and we're going to click somewhere right around here and place the point. And then we want to dimension the point so we have a precise location of where it lives on the front of the cube. So I'm going to dimension from the point to the bottom of the cube, and I want this to read 2, and then I'm going to dimension from the point to the side of the cube, and I want this to read 2.5. Next we're going to use the line command, and we're going to draw a triangle in here on this side of the cube with the line command, and we want to put our mouse on the corner, upper left corner of the front of the cube there, and click and drag down to the point, and click, and then drag back up to the opposite far right corner, and click, and then back to where we started, the top left corner. And there is our triangle. Next we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to extrude that triangle that we just made. We're going to select the extrude command, and we want to click on that triangle that we're going to extrude, and we want it to go the other direction, so up in the dialog box we want to select direction 2 and then select OK. And there is cube number 6.